Hi everyone, in chapter 5, we discuss the troubleshooting topic. Okay, I'll show you some of the troubleshooting flow and the tools and what are the best practice when we come to troubleshooting. So once we log into MACC base, we might see some of the alarm that indicated on the map. Okay, so this is where we identify the problem. You can go to alarm. Okay, and we see some of the device actually goes on offline. Okay, so if you want to know more details on the device to go offline, then we can go to access point, okay, and check on the device that actually offline. There's a very useful tool, AP layout, to help you to identify where is the offline access point located, which help us to troubleshoot whether it's related to the cabling issue or the power issue, or to identify the exact location of the access point installed. We can go to the configuration tab and AP layout. Okay, as we seen just now, the AP630 is actually offline, and from the AP layout, we can know the exact location of this AP630 located. Okay, this helps us to locate the physical location of the access point, and we can send some of the technician to go on site to further troubleshoot on why is this AP offline. It could be due to the AP issue, or due to the power failure, or even a cabling problem. On the other hand, we have a live diagnostics tool that allows you to access to the advanced CLI troubleshooting. Okay, so what we just need to select the access point and select more, the diagnostic tools. Okay, so over here you can check your running config, okay, to verify your configuration. And also some of the logs that are available. So these logs, they tell you what actually is happening, and if there any error message on the AP, you know immediately from the log. Okay. You also can check on the connection status. Okay. By clicking the connection IP interface to check on the interface IP address, the status of the interface, if you have any issue of connectivity. Okay, as well as the IP routing on the access point. So this information help you to perform some advanced troubleshooting if you're facing a connectivity issue. Okay, and you can do a ping. Okay, right, to check the connectivity to the cloud or to the internet is okay or not. Okay, it seems there's some problem. We're reaching out to Google DNS, right? If you want to check an associate client, you can do it also. Okay, go to user associate client to see all the associate client that attached to this access point and some traffic usage. Right. If you want to further debug on certain protocol that in this access point, okay, you can go to the web CLI. It's actually a web-based CLI access to the access point. Okay, you can send some debug command. The monitor. Okay, and probably will debug IP package. Okay, so you debug all the IP packet flow. Right, you either can go to the show log option, or you can actually show it on the access point. Okay, so this is a log for the IP packet flow. So always remember, when you finish your debugging, please turn off the debug, because it will cost the CPU resources and the memory resources as well. Alright, so turn on all the debug when you're done. On the MACC itself, right, you can check some log on the MACC, okay, to whether check whether AP is having some issue, or the configuration sync problem, or when the device will go online offline. Okay, you can go to maintenance, say go to config log. Okay, so config log, what you can check here is you can check whether the device get config successfully or not, or when the device first online. Okay, and when the device being restarted. Okay, any configuration change on RF. Okay, now we're going to try on this apply config. Okay, so what I mean by apply config is mean the config being applied successfully in the access point. Okay, or you done any change on the group, the config will usually auto sync to the access point. Okay, or you can check on the device first online. Okay, when the device first online. Okay, so this is the device that get online on this date and time. Okay, with the serial number. Right, you can also filter by the date if you would like to. Okay, or maybe when the device restart, if there's any device restart manually by the user, you will see the record over here. Okay, right, or the upgrade, when the device being upgraded, and what's the result. There are some other logs available as well. Okay, for example, the upgrade log. Okay, so when the upgrade being done, okay, this NT5 AP being upgraded in this time and date. Okay, the result is successful. Okay, and some connection log. Alright, what is the connection like? Like just now we done the web CLI to the AP. Okay, so you capture in the connection log. It helps you to do the auditing in a later stage if anything goes wrong or some unexpected change on the access point. Right, you can check back on this log and tell you what actually was happening. Okay, an operation log basically tell you when the device be imported successfully. Okay, so this is the log. Right, it's on 30th of May, 30th of June, sorry, okay, this time. Okay, let's conclude our chapter 5, MACC troubleshooting. So in this chapter, I've covered some of the advanced diagnostics tools, like what you can perform on the MACC itself, like check the running config, the virus information, the client associate information, and also some of the advanced tools like web CLI. You can actually directly access to the access point by using our web CLI. Okay, if you like to turn on some advanced debug command like what I did just now, debug IP package, you can see all the IP packet flow. Okay, and on the MACC maintenance, there are a couple of logs as well. Okay, there's a device log, upgrade log, operation log. Okay, and those logs actually help you to correlate back to the incident that happened maybe in the past. You want to know what actually was happening on the device, who actually done the changes on the configuration, on what time and when, and it helps you some simple audit process. Okay, and I also show you on how do we locate the physical location of the access point. When, for instance, when the AP goes offline, we need to trace back where is the AP being installed. How do we perform the physical troubleshooting by identifying the exact location of the access point. That can be show you on our integrated AP layout. Okay, thanks for your time. And in next chapter, I will cover the chapter 6, MACC, reporting and the firmware. Thank you.